Hi, my name is Wes Bryant, Sales Area Manager for the Southeast at Cefla North America. Today I'm here with Ryan Martz at Fire and Pine to discuss the Cefla Prima and how it's changed his business.
Hi, my name is Ryan Martz. I am the owner of Fire and Pine. We've been in business for a couple years now. We decided to take our product to wholesale this past January, and we decided with our process we really needed to upgrade our paint capabilities. So before we got our Cefla machine, we were probably producing about 100 pieces a day over an 8-hour workday, and that just wasn't going to cut it if we went to market. So we decided to go to market. We started with about 12 customers. We're up to about 270 wholesale customers in about 9 months, and there's no way we'd be able to do it without our Prima. So we went from doing about 100 pieces a day, so now we're doing several coats and doing probably about 1,000 or 1,500 coats a day. So yeah, without their machine, we'd be in a world of hurt right now. So thank you very much to Cefla.